formally introduced the Raven Ridge platform in October, major manufacturers like HP, Acer, and Lenovo were listed as key backers of the Ryzen mobile platform. Only one, however, has managed to launch a notebook equipped with AMD's latest Apple in time for the 2017 holiday season. The HP Envy x360 is one of the first commercially available notebooks with the Ryzen 5 2500U Apple to directly challenge Intel's Kaby Lake Arc platform in the thin and light category. The chassis is not entirely new, as HP has been offering this same design with the Core i7-8550U CPU for months, but it is nonetheless a significant chassis update to last year's Envy x360 15.
Price of this laptop in UK right now is $699. Of that what I purchased it, and it comes with 8GB of RAM with Ryzen 2500U processor and integrated mega card. It doesn't have really good battery life. If you're looking like day-long use, that it won't survive that long. My test it lasted only 5 hours. Normal use, if you play 1 or 2 games, then it's significantly reduced. It's quite heavy as well, around 2 kg compared to XPS that is around 1.3. But it's challenging gaming. In low settings in most of the games it just kills its competition. Considering it's just a 700 pound laptop, it gives 45 plus of in a single